So in this video, I'm going to show you how to implement a checkout block that shows on your checkout page in a Shopify checkout. Sorry to say that 3 times. And it's going to conditionally show only if a shopper is checking out in context with a Creator Commerce affiliate, which just simply means they've clicked an affiliate link, they've entered a co-branded funnel, and we want to make sure we know that's happened so that we can emphasize that they're getting a discount, or that by purchasing here you're supporting the creator you've clicked through. Whatever kind of messaging we want to conditionally show based on them being in context. So what I already have one here that I'll come back to and show you how that's set up, but let's create a new block here. Um, if you're very comfortable in checkout blocks, you can get into some more content here. But we're gonna basically create a basic block here using dynamic content. And what we're gonna do here is I'm just gonna choose a blank. Actually, I'm gonna choose a banner. You can of course choose any of these. You can choose FAQ, and all this will kind of make sense. But I'm gonna start with a banner, and I'm gonna call this just the creator um, support banner, just to give an example. And then I'm going to edit my banner to put just some content here for this example here. And I'm going to say, uh, complete your checkout to support your creator. You're shopping a creator's affiliate link by completing this checkout. You're supporting what they do best. So this, there's lots of ways to spin these. You can spin these as, complete your checkout because, you're getting an exclusive discount, like complete your checkout to keep your discount. There's lots of ways to position this. As far as what you actually want to say, this one's more of like a, kind of like a social proof, social pressure kind of warning here. You can choose this to be plain. You can choose this to be success. Maybe we'll just leave this as plain. You don't really need to do buttons here because that's not the purpose of these. And then when you click done, now we have your banner content, and we want to do display rules. This is where the integration comes in. So what you're going to want to do is we're going to tap into a cart attribute that is going to be present. So we're going to want to say if it contains creator CC creator ID, and if a value, pretty much any value, we just want to make sure that this attribute is available. Creator Commerce adds this attribute only if the shopper is in context with an actual creator. So here, this is more of a checkout blocks feature down here you might be familiar of, but you want to just assign an ID. It's kind of arbitrary. This just allows you to, when you go into the storefront builder, pair your a section with a specific block ID. So you can just give this 9 for, it's kind of arbitrary, but I'll show you. So we now have a block that is a creator support banner, says some of the stuff we've already set up, and it does this based on the presence of CC creator ID. It's a very open-ended concept here. You can build a lot of different types of banners and content items, accordions, images, spacers, text, headings. You can personalize these using data that we can pull from the cart, for example. So there's a lot that can candidly go into this. We can even kind of reference like the meta object to pull even more data into this about the creator. Perhaps that's even another tutorial we'll make, but it can kind of go deep here. But this is really a simple block that you can save, and I'll just show you one that's already set up. To go to this other discount banner we have that's saved. This one focuses on say hello to 40% off and make sure the user knows they're getting 40% off based on this CC creator ID being present. This is an additional option that's added that's just worth considering if you only want to show these if a discount has been actually entered at this point in time. The difference is maybe showing this without the discount being there yet, but if you only want to show it then, like for example, this banner is all about emphasizing the discount, so you probably want to wait till the discount's fully applied. So this one just makes sure that it's only showing if the discount code is not blank. And then going to how this works, we can add to the editor, which this one's already there. Shopify is going to tell you exactly how to do this. It's going to tell you to take the app ID you've made, and you can copy this to preview. You can open the editor, and we can go in here to show you exactly how that's done. You'll just want to go to the section that you want to add the dynamic content, which is over here. It's already been added. I'm just going to give this a chance to load. And the way this works is that, I got to change our display here, change this to, so I'll leave this at here. There we go. I just had to refresh the page here and get this to load. So pause that for just a second. But now that we're here, you can see that dynamic content placeholder is right here with app ID 7. This is just an example of one of the blocks that we've implemented here. So excited to see what kind of blocks you build. And check out some other help articles we have here on how to go deeper.